Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this review of my vacuum cleaner. So let's get to it. Introducing the Rocket Vacuum by Shark. So as you can see here, it has different settings. The first one is for the bare floors or area rugs. The number 2 setting is for high pile carpets. And like I said, it's made by Shark. I decided on getting the corded one because I had read some reviews where the ones that are not corded have problems with battery life. This is very easy to empty the filter right here. You just pop it out, and here's the button that you push to pop it out. I just finished using it. I've had this for about a year, and I didn't want to do a review on it until I was sure that it worked the way that I wanted it to work. It is not the quietest silence type of technology, but it gets the job done. It can get the whole house done pretty quickly, and for a standard 3-bedroom 2-bath house, I don't think you'll be disappointed. So let's test it out. So this is considered the high carpet, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on setting 2. So you just step on it and it'll release so that you can put it in a position that you need it in. And this is setting 2. That is for the high pile carpets. Okay, now this is for bare floors and area rugs, setting number 1. And like I said, it is loud. That's the only thing I don't like about it, but it is kind of like a high pressure suck. It sucks up really fast, so you can feel the power in it for something that's this little. So let's try it out.